Hey everyone, it's JONDI. JONDIDesign.com is the website. And today I'm going to share again about Wix. Now, Wix is a platform that I've been using for some of my clients for a very long time, since Wix pretty much existed. It was a complete solution for those clients that wanted to have more hands-on with their websites. More user friendly. And as the years went on, Wix integrated a lot of things that made entrepreneurs specifically very productive in, dealing with business and things. So here I'm going to show you how when you're creating your website, of course, visual is very important, but functionality is also important. Wix allows you to give the website your own custom presence and allows you to, create animated, more responsive type websites, interactive on the pages. So here's a clever way to create those graphics and give it the responsiveness that you kind of want, that fluid type website that a lot of people do enjoy. I myself am one of them. So here we're looking at my Wix site, and I have these designs in to separate the many things of JONDI's world. So JONDI world, I'm a very creative person. I'm an inspiring person. I love to be inspired by everything. And I just create. So I put out what I create, and this is how I done so. So on the website, these graphics were created through Canva. And what I like about that is Canva allows you to create your graphics as well as embed links. So here where it says, I inspire apparel by JONDI Design, is actually a link to my page. All right, so when I click on that, it will go directly to the page that those products are for sale on. All right, so that is a really good way to keep your visitors interested in what you got going on. Everything pretty much should link. So, all right, now I have my digital art collections, which also link to their respective pages. All right, let's go back, and I want to show you one more, which is the sports apparel, which is a little off. I'm going to have to, what is that? All right, sports apparel. So this graphic was also created in Canva, and I have a couple of links here. I have a link at the top that leads to the sports apparel design page where they can actually purchase those products. I have a link here as well. And I also have my social medias linked to their respective pages. So that one links to my Facebook account, and if I wasn't logged in, it wouldn't go to that. It will go to the viewers version. And I also have linked into it my Instagram in case somebody want to go ahead and give me a follow or some likes or see some more products. Then lastly, I have another link here that, of course, leads them where? To the point of sale. And that is all on the front of my JONDI's World Shop page. So that is all I really wanted to share with you. Now, if we go into Canva, let's look at the Canva designs. So let's say, for instance, this design here. When you go into Canva, if you wanted to add this to your website, you simply click the three dots at the top, and then you're going to click See All, and you're going to click on Embed. So it will give you an embed code if you have an HTML website that allows you to embed, or you can use a smart embed link for other platforms like WordPress. Let's see what it says. WordPress, Medium, and any website without embed support. So we're going to copy this embed link, go back to our Wix website editor. All right, and let's say I want to add, I'm just to show, I'm going to go back to my editor and let's see, I'm going to add it here. So I'm going to click on my add button, go down to embed option, click on embed a widget, and it will pop up on the screen. You can stretch it out now or wait until you paste the code in, but I'm stretching it out. Click on enter code and simply paste the code into it, and boom, there you are. Your design is now on your web page. Now, of course, I don't have any links embedded in this one, but you know, that is how you actually embed. So when I click on preview in Wix, it'll show me my web page and how everything is now lined up. So if I wanted to, I could create this here as a link. And so to show you how that goes, all right, we click on the link here. And at the top, you see 3 more dots, and you're going to see this link button here. We click on that link, and then we put in the web address that we want it to link to. All right, and then press enter. So now, when I go, it's already embedded. It shouldn't change. The link will change as you change the design. So if you change the design, that embed link is going to stay how it's supposed to be. So let's back to editor, and then we're going to preview it again. And now you notice it's underlined. So that's how you know your link is linked. Click on it and it should bring us to the web page. And boom, there we are. So if you find this interesting and want to learn more, or you need individual help with your website and your graphics, please hit me up at JONDIdesign.com. That's the website. You can book JONDI. I do classes, I do consultations, and I simply just design. So you want to schedule an appointment, you can also view the rest of my portfolio. All right, but this is what JONDI's world is about. Just one new desire inspired. We create, invest, and manifest, okay?